Hi, Sergeant Luis.
Ano pang may bisang mapapayo sa mga gustong magpulis?
Well, ako para sa akin, sa lahat ng mga gustong magpulis, lalong-lalo na yung mga kababaihan. Napansin ko, dumadami ang mga kababaihang pulis. At dating role ng kababaihan, nandyan lang sa admin building. Clerk lang, secretary. Pero ngayon, nasa field na rin. Kapantay na rin ng mga kalalakihan. And let's help build a more gender-equal world here in the police force, here in the law enforcement sector. So, inaanyayahan ko lahat ng mga gustong magpulis, lalo na mga kababaihan. Pero sa lahat ng gustong magpulis in general, I see the changes that are being implemented in the training of our policemen, that there is more emphasis on compassion, on community relations, on building a just and fair society. And that is what we need in order to progress as a nation. And I look towards our policemen to be part of the solution towards a more peaceful, a more progressive, a more developed, a more fair and just nation in the future. And I think these graduates will be part of that.
Ako po, si Police Senior Master Sergeant Mauricio Bonilla Ruiz.